We're starting off this evening with severe weather coming through the area. Expected to be mostly hail. So right now I'm heading towards a shooting call, and we'll see what happens. Let me tell you, we're at the leading edge of a gust front, and most of the heavy activity is out west. Up, and you can see stuff blowing around. It's actually pretty good. A lot of dust. Gust front is blowing in as I'm coming into Westport. What is that, a barrel blowing around the road up there? Better watch that. Oh no, it's like an inflatable man or something. Incredible inflatable flailing arm man. Well, I think that's the gust front. The rain is actually just to my north a little bit. So that's the fun for now. That's the gust front blowing in. And here's a wider view. Showing where there's a severe thunderstorm warning north of Topeka. This storm north of Topeka is getting pretty frisky, and they just reissued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lawrence, Douglas County. And it looks like mainly straight line winds. And keep an eye on it. I've repositioned to Park Hill South High School parking lot, which is a nice elevated area. First time trying this spot, so we'll see how it turns out. And the storm to the west is still coming at us, and it's bowing out, which means straight line winds, and there's been 70-mile-an-hour winds reported with it, so this frisky storm is still holding up, and I can see a little bit of a notch just west of Tonganoxie. There's a nice roll cloud coming in, and we're under a severe thunderstorm warning, and the weather service says there's 60-mile-an-hour winds and quarter-size hail. Yep, you just heard it. That was pretty awesome. breezes are starting to pick up. Might have to duck and cover if it gets too hairy. The gust front has come through, and it's nothing too big a deal. The higher winds are probably behind the rain, so you got an awesome roll cloud coming through. Lots of lightning out behind. Yeah, you can see already the lampposts are starting to wiggle around quite a bit. I am facing off against probably the worst part of it. Under the severe thunderstorm warning. There is a hail risk, so for the sake of my car, I'm going to seek an awning just in case. I'm thinking the Quick Trip in Riverside. I moved over to my awning here at Quick Trip in Riverside. I believe there may be some little hail. It just started. So it's dying down here. I'm going to head south into the city where it still looks fairly intense. The severe thunderstorm watch has been allowed to expire, and but there's still some storms coming through, and probably the bulk of the rain that will happen is going to happen and possibly even hit the southern part of the metro area too. And I'm keeping my eye on it, especially this right here is a strong storm. And we'll see if anything gets severe warned. But it's about to rain right where I'm at here in downtown. Here is where I'm at, and here's how it looks. Pretty dark and scary. And yeah, I'm starting to feel the rain coming down. We were doing live shots on the 911 system, getting an automatic callback for drop calls. But yeah, we'll keep our eyes open. I've been sent to Weston, Missouri, where there's this really old tree that came down on top of the corner of this senior citizens housing. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. It's a really big,
just like what hit Smithville.
really old tree.
When the sirens went off, I'm sitting here, it's blue skies, and I'm like,
yeah.
And they're like, yeah,
The chief of police of Weston just talked to us.
Okay, it's blue skies as can be here. Yes, the wind's roaring, but yes.
One person was hurt when she was trying to get out, not by the tree, but she was trying to get out. Amazingly, she was in her bed earlier in the night and decided to move to the couch because of the storms outside, and that may have saved her life because the tree came down right on her bed.
Oh, no.
Back drive. Oh, Jesus. Somebody's trampoline. Is a pretty big tree. Oh, let's not get stuck. Damn it. Look at that. Hope it doesn't come down on me. Jefferson. Scary. The weather surely has turned grismal. Yuck. Definitely yuck. Sassified. I finally made it home in the rain. Ugh. And the wind. Yuck, 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 yuck. Rain. I hear the doggies. Ooh, look how deep the water's getting. Fine. Make them go crazy. Oh, there's Jimmy. Are you dancing? You dancing? You dancing? Woo, 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 woo. Keeping dry. Stella, you scared of the boom booms? Boom, boom, boom. Woof, woof, woof. All right. Really? Tell me about it. What else? Eh? Woof, 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 woof. All right.